Today's warehouse and distribution centres demand end-to-end solutions that offer superior productivity and efficiency. Introducing the SynoLift OPC03M series full electric order picker. A masterpiece of modern design and exceptional versatility, the SynoLift order picker is always ready to boost your productivity, as well as to raise the bar in your business with long-lasting performance. Start with the easy-to-enter operator compartment with a low accessible platform and a non-slip mat to prevent accidental slipping, along with one-way locking gates that ensure the operator's safety during use. The truck's platform controls are fast and responsive, and the truck features a mechanical lift function that reduces the risk for hydraulic leakage, guaranteeing reliability and longevity. The SynoLift electric order picker offers advanced lifting capabilities reaching up to a maximum lift height of up to 6,000 millimeters, giving you more flexibility in the work environment than ever before. The intuitive joystick for movement control offers an easy-to-use four-way movement system that ensures high precision when working. And thanks to the dual traction assembly, the truck allows for fluid and smooth movement. Our truck is a mobile productivity tool that allows one person to safely and efficiently accomplish the work of two. The SynoLift full electric order picker is meticulously designed to offer an unparalleled driving experience and to maximize operator comfort, at the same time offering a vast amount of features, and all this without cutting corners in any way possible. The main upper shelf platform boasts a remarkable lifting capacity and can handle loads of a maximum of up to 110 kilograms, giving you much headroom for your order picking needs, giving you the much needed peace of mind, and you can enjoy all these high-end features without the need to worry about safety issues at all. Additional usage as a ladder system provides a more stable and versatile system than the traditional way. A lightweight impact-resistant cover provides easy removal for quick maintenance of the order picker. From having a tight turning radius for use in narrow aisles, safety lights, highly precise and fluid movement, and more features, boost your productivity and business with the SynoLift full electric order picker.